Welcome all. In this lecture, we'll view a demo of the completed web application with all the features. And the salient points of this CRUD application, which is a movie application, are: it demonstrates user authentication, it enforces user data protection through authorization to show only the user profile data to authenticated or logged in users, and it integrates a spin loader component that presents a animated CSS loading indicators. So I have got the application running in front of me, and it has got a register, login and about. So if you are not logged in, and if you've already registered, you can log in, and if you have not registered, you can click on this register link to get a register form, and you can create a new account with email, password, confirm password. And if you are registered already, you can click on login and it will open the login. So let me log in. I have created a few logins, and if I click on remember me, it will remember. It will create a cookie which will remember my login details. And if I log in, see, now I can see the movie records, and this is what is spin loader in action. And if I click on retry, it will reload. And if I check on this force exception checkbox and click on retry, it will throw an exception. Okay, and in that case, I will not be able to add movie. Even though the add movie dialog is there, I will not be able to add movie because the runtime exception is thrown and it will return. So if I log out, I can view the unauthorized or unauthenticated viewers can only view the counter. Click on the counter and fetch data. However, if you wish to view your exclusive data, which is the data protection in action, I will show you in a moment. So if you log in, and if you log in as a test@hotmail.com, click on remember me, log in. So movies. So you are able to view the spin loader component. It loads for 2 seconds, 200 milliseconds. Just it has been simulated to show the spin kit in action, and it comes up with 3 test records. Okay, and if you want to add movie, you can do so. Add, say, whatever movie you'd like to. Say any date. Okay. This is a fictitious data at the moment, just to be quick. And submit. We'll add the movie record, and I'm able to edit it. So if we wish to get rid of the musical drama to musical and click on submit, it will edit, okay, update the record. And I wish to delete, I can delete. Okay, it will confirm for deletion, and click on yes, it will remove that. And if I log out and re-log in as some other user, log in, say this time if I log in as test1@hotmail.com, login and movies. So this time I am just got a different record which is exclusive to my own user profile. So, and I am able to edit, I am able to delete the record. So all that sort of thing. So that's about the full review of the salient points of the web application.